Hello everyone. So happy to get this. Got this a couple of days ago. This is the Art Snacks May box. It is now mid-July, and this thing took so long to get here. And in fact, the first time they tried to ship it over, it didn't work, and basically the tracking number just got stuck there for like a month. And then I emailed them. Customer service was really helpful, and they sent me a new box. And through DHL shipping this time, and long wait later finally came. And basically, this is the first time I'm subscribing to Art Snacks. This is the Art Snacks Plus box, and in fact, it's my first art subscription box ever. I've always been watching other people do like YouTube videos of art subscription box, and yeah, finally decided to give it a try, and let's open it. So I've not seen what the May subscription box contains. This will be my first time looking at it. Oh, oh, watercolors. Oh, that's cool. 12 sheets of Booking Ford traditional watercolor paper. Cool. So I've never seen this brand before. Oh, cool, it's made in England. That's nice. So my worry with ordering all these subscription boxes is because they are based in the West, and sometimes they include like supplies from Japan, which I can easily get here in Singapore. So I want to get like something different. Oh, there's more paper. Look, this is Grey Matters paper palette. Um, oh, okay, so this is not actually paper meant for drawing. What is it? It says let's see here. Neutral gray sheets for accurate color mixing, and there's a color mixing guide included. So, okay, this is definitely not for drawing. You can see it's shiny and like waxy, so it's for mixing acrylic paints. And over here, there's this nice color guide chart. So it's like teaching you to mix how to mix colors. Yeah, this is cool. Never had one of these before. And it's gray too. That's 20 sheets. Nice. Okay, so let's get the big box out of the way. I love this Ziploc bag. It's zippy bag, the bubble wrap bag. I love popping bubble wrap. Okay, so free shipping code. This is the so these two paper items, they are in the Art Snacks Plus because well they're big, can't fit into the regular box. Oh, there's some paint leakage and brown too. Kind of looks like poop. Okay, so this is the regular Art Snacks menu for May. Let's see what we get. Gouache. What color? Light blue cyan and lemon yellow primary. Okay, so we have cyan and yellow basically. And quality. I've never seen this brand before. Talents, Royal Talents, according to the card. Never seen this. There's something new. We have oh, candy, Smarties. Ew, there's like brown stuff here. So okay, so the brown stuff on this, maybe it wasn't paint and it was candy, because the paint got some of that reddish brown tone thing too, and I didn't get any brown paint. I'm not sure if this candy is still safe to eat. I mean, it's been in transit for like 2 months now. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Yep, looks like the candy claimed another victim. Okay, let's open this. Oh, drawing supplies. Ooh, sticker. Oh, that's pretty. It's like blue and purple. Nice colors. 2B graphite drawing pencil from can you see that? Okay, from Kimberly. USA brand. Never seen this before. Oh, since 1889. Okay, that's old. That's like 100 years older than me. And ooh, what's this? This is King Art dagger brush. I have never seen a brush like this before. Look at that. I've seen like fan brushes and a couple of other variants. I mean, never seen this before. Yeah, dagger brush. 3/8, whatever that's supposed to mean. That's is the size. Not sure how you're supposed to say that, but yeah. Okay, and the sketch mono tombow eraser, basically the rubber fragments kind of like stick together as you erase, so it's not like all over the place and slightly less messy when you erase. Goes with the pencil, I guess. Yeah, so that's all the supplies for me. Okay, so I suppose I should try and create something with these supplies. Uh, yeah, let me think about it and look up some references. I realized we have not swatched these two colors, these two gouache colors, so yeah, I'm going to do that in a bit. Let me open this up first. It's actually kind of buckled up. I hope I can straighten it. Let's look at the paper. This is 300 GSM paper, and ooh, it feels pretty nice. Look at that, sheet thick. Yeah, it's a very smooth paper, and this is a little bent, so kind of have to straighten it out. I guess that's the problem with like shipping stuff, you know. I have a little notebook here. I have a ton of notebooks, but this is the Midori. I can't see anything. Midori artist sketchbook, something like that. It has nice cream paper. It's probably not really meant for watercolors. I have like tons of notebooks, but not really anything for like watercoloring or sketching. Let's write this down a bit. So I also took the time to pull out all my brushes. I have not used my brushes in ages, literally. It's like I go to the art shop and then I'm like, oh yeah, brushes. And I buy new ones and they're still in their packaging. But I've not used them and I've not used the brushes in a long time because I'm lazy. So I use like water brushes, like these. Okay, this one is not filled, but let me look for my favorite.
1 hour later.
Okay, so can't find the exact one that I love, but I like this ones. These are the Kuretake water brush. I suppose this is a small nib, and it's been used and stained, but still works really well. Love them because they are so convenient to use. You don't even need like a water bucket to wash off the paint. You just, get some tissue or whatever and just squeeze some water out and they clean themselves. Wonderful. And then this is the Pentel ones. I also like them. I like the small because I just tend to do small drawings. So, you know, what I have here, this is a large and this is the medium brush. I'm not sure where my small one is. It's probably around somewhere in my messy tables and shelves and whatever not. But yeah, you get the idea. But since we have this wonderful dagger brush today, I guess I'll go with like real traditional brushes. So okay, so I got this little cute tray from Muji, and it's nice to like use it as a tiny palette for if you do tiny drawings like me. If you do like huge drawings, then yeah, it's probably not enough. But yeah. Let's try this out. Ooh, ooh. Let's just start by saying that I don't really use gouache. I only have a set of like uh, beginners, kind of a non-professional gouache. I do have some couple of watercolor sets, but I don't really use gouache. I have more watercolors than gouache. So yeah. Okay, which brush should I use? Ooh, that is nice and thick. Yeah, so I mentioned I have a ton of, ooh, it's nice and thick. I have a ton of notebooks, but most of them are for like fountain pens. I'll probably do multiple videos of those, like my pens and inks and just a whole lot of stuff in the future. But yeah, not much sketching kind of art notebooks. Yeah, see, this is why it's troublesome to clean the traditional brush. And obviously, my tiny jar is completely yellow. Yeah, I need a huge jar if I were to do like normal kind of painting. Yeah, yeah, I need another water container. Mm. And this is the cyan. It's very opaque, very creamy, really nice. Love it. That's the difference between watercolors and gouache, isn't it? So the pigments in gouache is slightly bigger, so you don't get that transparent effect in watercolors, and basically you can get a lot more brighter, opaque colors with gouache. Otherwise, they are both pretty similar. It's kind of like similar pigments or the same pigments maybe, but just different like particle size. So I tested out the supplies, and if you'd like to see what I created, that's coming in the next video. That's why you should subscribe to my channel right now and hit on all notifications. Thanks and see you in the next video.